How to split a payment on Doordash. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to split a payment on Doordash. So first thing, just make sure you have already downloaded and installed the Doordash application from your Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have already logged into your account. So once you successfully log into your account, just head over to any of your shopping cart or browsing and just click on add to cart button by simply choosing any of the carts or items that you would like to add on your cart. So the thing here is you can just add any of the cart over here, and you can also invite other people to actually view your cart and get involved in the buying process of the items that you have probably added over here. So you can just tap on this share button to actually invite others to join on your group order. So you can just unlock your group order after simply selecting the items that you like to group order. So you can easily share your order with your friends and family, so each person can add items, then pay once, get it all delivered together. So you can also actually choose the spending limit per person as well and just click on save. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.